talking about.
That's what I'm looking for. That's my boy.
That's my boy. Buddy. You going this way?
No, you can't go this way.
You got it. The back engine come up now to clean us down.
There you go.
There you go. So level it out. Okay, now go passenger a little. Okay, back the driver a little bit. Just go straight out. You're out. Passenger, passenger, passenger. Okay. Just go on out. Oh, he got it. Pivoted on this lead spring.
All the time.